Hello, Xhorse fans! The new version of Dolphin XP005 is available now, and today I'll walk you through it in detail. The new version is equipped with M5 clamp, perfectly integrating the functions of M1 and M2 clamps. It supports the following key types, which is more convenient to use without the need to switch clamps. The thin, narrow, and short keys, as well as the special HU160T keys, are perfectly supported by the M5 clamp. It does not require an auxiliary key blank to clamp HU160T keys or elevate the key blank when cutting a Toyota for track internal key. Additionally, the M5 clamp is designed to offer a non-calibrating using experience, which means you don't need to calibrate the clamp anymore while working. Lithium-ion battery is optional for the new version and can also be installed in the machine if you need later on. If you need to face the case of working without power, please don't hesitate to consult our dealer for the purchase info of an additional battery. Well, that's it for today. If you are interested, please follow us.